Hey guys, what's going on? Big Boy Artistry here. Hoping you guys had a good day today. I had a good day today, and I'm happy and I'm excited to show you this video. Alright? Now, I have been having a lot of people ask me what I do with my Floetrol, what my mix is, and how I go ahead and accomplish that. So I figured I'd do this video to show you how I do my Floetrol mix, Floetrol and water, ratio 2:1. Alright, now to get started, Floetrol. Pick this up at Home Depot. I normally buy 2 or 3 of these at a time to keep myself stocked up. This is my third one I'm using right now. I also use this. This is a 64 ounce 2-quart pitcher, I guess you call it a pitcher, that I got from Walmart. I have 4 of these actually because I do 4 pitchers at a time, and I have small little squeeze bottles for my Floetrol mixture, so I don't have to keep doing it per cup. That was a little time consuming for me, so I decided to do it this way. And what I also use is this. This is just craft sticks I just glued together to put my strainer, which I also got at Walmart, inside to hover over the bottle so I can pour my Floetrol in. And I got water here as a mix and water here to clean this out, because believe it or not, this stuff is thick enough to where if you don't use a strainer, little globs can get inside your Floetrol. When you do your mix, it doesn't come out smooth and flat. So what I normally do to get started is get my scale. These are just Artist Loft paints, 16-ounce paint bottles I use. I just put them together like so. Alright. Now the way I do this is 32 ounces to fill this up with Floetrol and 16 ounces of water. Now, that's the way I do it because I like to have a lot to spare on hand for I can do multiple paintings at once. And that's how I put it together, like so. Alright? Now what I normally do is I give this a good shake. I do this to ease it up. Alright. I do this to shake up the stuff inside and to knock out any globules that happen to come across. But there are times where the bottle that you use has a little bit more than you think it does in there, which is why I use a strainer, because there have been times where I poured this straight without using a strainer, and the paintings I made, they came out they didn't look good. So this is how I do it now. Fill it up to 32 ounces. Alright, it's 32 ounces. So, once it's done, I take this. Let me come around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you'll look inside here, you see that? That is what is in that bottle, which is why I use a sink strainer to strain it all out. Alright, now what I do is take the water, move this out the way, take the water and just reset my scale back to 0 and just pour in 16 ounces. There you go. 16 ounces. And now I have a full jug of Floetrol. That is my mix. That is my ratio right there. I have a full jug. I do 4 of these. Like I said, I do 4 of these. And I'm set for a good while. I don't have to keep using Floetrol per cup. Now, what's in here? Let me show you real quick. This is the other reason why I use Floetrol. I use a sink strainer. Look what I pulled out. See that? That is also inside the Floetrol bottle. So let me get close enough again so I can show you. That right there, it's what's inside the Floetrol bottle, which is why I shake it up good. But like I said, there's still some things like this that are in there. So the sink strainer gets it all out. So my paint is nice and even, it's flat. And I don't have to worry about stuff like this entering my painting. Now normally I will go into the sink and rinse this out, but since I'm doing a video for you guys, I do this. I'm just gonna do this. And take out like a couple pieces that are just too stubborn to come out. And there. You're ready to do the next bottle. Now, that is how I do my 4 2-quart Floetrol mixes. I just replenish my water, do the same thing with 4 jugs. Now all of this stuff you could pick up at Home Depot for the Floetrol, and everything else is at Walmart. Sink strainer, also Walmart, Michaels. The scale actually I got off of Amazon. Just make sure if you're going to order the scale, make sure it has milliliters as well as everything else on it, because you need milliliters when you mix your paint. Well, let me take that back for a second. I don't know how you mix your paints. I don't know what you do. That's all on you to figure out for yourselves. I'm just showing you the way I do my Floetrol mix. Oh, excuse me. Talking a little too fast for myself. Now, I know everybody does everything differently, okay? But this is the way that I figured out how to do it for myself. This is what works for me, and I've been doing it for a long time. Now, you're gonna mess up for all the new people that want to get into this. You're gonna mess up the first few times. It's okay to mess up. You have to figure it out to find the niche or the right ratio that works for you. All right? So with that being said, good luck to you. Leave in the comments what you think. If you have any questions, queries, posers, negative, positive things, I prefer positive because I don't do negativity. Yeah. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe. It helps my channel. It helps my algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a good night. Peace.